Hello developers, welcome back to TechRill. Today we are diving into an exciting and powerful feature, GitHub Copilot custom instructions, now available right inside IntelliJ. In a developer's world, every project is unique. Whether you are working on a web application, microservices, or an enterprise platform, you often have specific coding patterns, naming conventions, or architecture rules to follow. Especially in Java development, you may want Copilot to generate classes with annotations, Javadoc, constructor styles, or even logging frameworks you prefer. But by default, Copilot doesn't always know your preferences. That is where custom instructions come in. They allow you to shape Copilot's behavior to match your personal or team development style. Until recently, custom instructions were available mostly in VS Code and .com chat. But now, good news for IntelliJ users, Copilot custom instructions are fully supported in JetBrains IDEs, including IntelliJ. This means you can personalize how Copilot assists you directly in your favorite Java development environment. Let us look into a simple example. Say you always want your Java methods to be annotated with @override when applicable, and also you prefer your logger to be initialized using logger factory.getLogger. For setting the custom instruction, go to your project and add .github folder first. So I'm going to add a folder or directory, that is .github, at the root level. Now under .github, we need to add the custom instruction file, which is named as copilot-instructions.md. This is the default name of custom instruction file. Once it's added, I have the instructions for our requirement. One is the logging methodology. The second one is I need to add @override whenever there is a method overridden. So these are the two requirements. First custom instruction is related to logger factory and initialize the logger as private static logger. Here we have passed some of the coding snippet also as part of the custom instruction. The second instruction is add override to all overridden methods. This is the annotation I needed. So either you can just pass the custom instructions, or if you feel you want to format it a little bit, you can add it as Java logging instructions. So group it under specific headings. So the first one is related to logging, so add it there. The second one is more of a generic one, so I can say Java class instructions. Especially when we use interfaces, we will be going to use the second one. Save the instructions, Copilot chat, and asking Copilot to create a sample Java class that implements an interface. So the interface implementation is triggered for the second aspect, that's overriding methods. It came up with a sample Java class. If you have a detailed requirement of a specific Java class, you can pass it also. If you look at the coding style or the sample, you can see that it's imported the logger as we specified as part of our instructions, and also it's defined a sample interface with a single method, and it used @override annotation for implementing that method. That is the second instruction we have passed. Now let us go a little further. I will create more comprehensive custom instruction to guide Copilot in building Java classes the way I want. So I have a set of instructions here that goes under the Java class instructions. Whenever generating a new Java class, add a Java doc comment. If you notice here, there is no Java doc as of now added. We need the Java doc as part of the new class. Include this logger, which is already mentioned above. So I can just remove this one. Constructor is mandatory. If you look at current sample generated, there is no constructor for this particular class. And for each of the field, we are expecting getter and setter, and implementing the interface, we need override. That is what we mentioned earlier also. And a generic information of the code should be clean, readable, and follow the Java basic structure kind of thing. So this is the new instruction. Again, we are not passing any other context, just passing a simple prompt to create a new Java class to implement an interface. The Copilot suggestion: adhere to the logging requirement. The custom instructions specify we need Java doc, that is also added, and getter and setter is added for wherever it's applicable. And this is our class, which contain a proper constructor here with initialization or Java doc on top of that, and the implementation of the interface we used @override, and the interface is also defined with Java doc on top of that. And an explanation on class includes the logger, constructor, and everything. Now the references used here is, there is a Copilot instruction, REST handler. I think we are standing on this one, that's why that's also passed. So you can just close the Java instruction. It's not mandatory. You need to be in the instruction page. Now there is no file opened. Let us ask again Copilot to create a sample booking class by implementing payment interface. So altogether a new class with some interface implementation. Let us see whether it's able to take this instruction and implement properly. Java doc, logger information, and a constructor with @override for the implementation of the interface method. Here also it's used the Copilot instruction.md as part of this prompt. Once you define the custom instruction, whenever you pass any prompt, custom instruction automatically shared as a context, and Copilot generate the suggestions based on the instructions captured as part of the custom instruction. As you can see, custom instructions make GitHub Copilot your Copilot. You are not just accepting random code suggestions. Instead, you are getting a tailored assistance based on your preferences. This boosts productivity, improves the code consistency, and reduces the time you spend reformatting or rewriting Copilot suggestions. If you are a Java developer using IntelliJ, it is time to unlock the full potential of GitHub Copilot. Set your custom instruction, code your way, and AI accelerate your development. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Copilot tips right here in TechRill. Drop a comment below on how you are using custom instruction. We had loved to hear your use cases. Until next time, keep coding smarter.